Julian M. Linsangan III as a president.
You are the president and you do not even know. Anong ibig sabihin ito? Niloloko mo ang committee ito?
No, Your Honor, may I...
Tell the truth because I am going to make a motion to it.
Sagutin mo yung tanong ko, hindi. Pangatlo na akong mag-move to cite you in contempt. At iha, hindi kita pakukulong dito. Miss Ronaldine Baterna,
Yes,
is she still around?
go ahead. Yeah, andito pa. Go ahead.
Yes. Kanina, Madam Ronaldine, sinabi mo na hindi mo masyadong kakilala si Cassandra Leong. Tama po ba yung pagkarinig?
Kilala ko po siya, Your Honor, and then nakikita ko rin po siya.
Gaano mo siya kakilala?
As ka-work po, since doon din po siya nagtatrabaho.
Doon siya nagtatrabaho. Natatandaan mo ba na noong February 2 of 2021, may pinirmahan kang sublease agreement kay Madam Cassandra Ong?
Hindi ko na po matandaan, Your Honor, kasi sobrang dami ko na pong napirmahan na papel.
May I request the page to show the sublease contract in my possession to Madam Ronaldine Baterna so that she can determine whether the document is what she signed.
Okay, the COMSEC is hereby directed to bring the documents to ano.
Tanungin kasi yun ang susunod na tanong ko eh.
Sige,
Kasi parang siya nang may-ari ng South 99, Lucky South 99 eh. Madam Ronaldine, pirma po niyo ito.
Opo.
Natatandaan po ninyo na pinirmahan niyo itong sublease contract na ito.
Opo.
At ang nakalagay dito, it's this sublease agreement executed and entered into by and between Whirlwind Corporation as the sublessor and Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated as the sublessee. You were, in this document, kayo po ang nagre-represent sa Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated. Tama po ba?
Sa totoo po niyan, Your Honor,
Sagutin
yung...
mo lang po yung tanong ko. Tama po ba yung sinabi ko? Eh kasi dito sa dokumento, itong dokumento, maski tanungin mo yung abogado mo, ay hindi maglalay o hindi magsisinungaling itong dokumento.
Opo, ako po yung nagpirma.
Oh, bakit? Bakit ikaw ang pumirma, Iha?
As per instruction po, kailangan ko pong pirmahan.
Kanino pong instruction?
Yun, gaya nga po ng sinabi.
Kanino pong instruction? Sagutin mo yung tanong ko, hindi. Pangatlo na akong mag-move to cite you in contempt. At Iha, hindi kita pakukulong dito. Inisiguro ko yun.
Sa attorney po, galing po kay attorney.
Sinong attorney?
Attorney Medina po.
Attorney Medina. Mr. Chair, may I move that we invite also Attorney Medina so that we will find out kung sino po ang nag-uutos talaga dito.
siya ba yung under ng NFC law firm?
Hindi po.
Iba pa yung attorney Medina, hindi yan kasama doon sa lawyer mo yan?
Hindi po.
Sige, we'll be inviting the...
Mr. Chairman,
Anong first name niya? Anong first name ng attorney Medina?
Attorney Medina lang yung po yung pagkakilala ko, Your Honor.
What?
Attorney Medina lang po.
Ang alam mo?
Opo.
How can we invite? There's a lot of Medina.
Sa may, ano po, sa may Clark, yung office. Yung office niya po sa may Clark, malapit po.
What's the address ng ano? Sige, the COMSEC will coordinate with you. Congressman, Chairman Abante, this is your second round.
Yes.
So, for your second round,
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. May I know if we have the incorporators of the Lucky South 99 Corporation here? May I request them to stand up and state their name and what is their position?
Lucky South
South
99
99 Corporation.
Corporation. And then corporation. Yun yung bago. So, Lucky South 99 Corporation, andun sila Paterna, sila Julian Linsangan, at sila Edgar Chan.
May I
Sila
please
Lucky
ask them
South
to stand up
99.
and state their name and their
Corporation.
position in the corporation?
Ayan sila. Ayan sila. Ano?
Yes, Mr. Chair. On papers, Mr. Chair, so today, kami po yung officer ng Lucky South. Kami po tatlo.
All right. Please just state your name and give your position to in the
In
corporation.
papers, Your Honor, I'm Julian M. Linsangan III as president po ng
You're the
Lucky South.
president.
In papers po.
All right. Of the corporation. In papers.
Yes, Your Honor.
In papers lang, ha? Okay, next.
Yes po, good afternoon po. Edwin Ang po, treasurer po.
You are the
in-requesting
what?
Po. Edwin Ang po.
And what is your position?
Nakalagay po sa papers treasurer po.
In paper then?
Yes po.
Oo. And
Marion Ryan Chu, in papers as director po.
in papers then? Oo. So, let me ask. Also, Miss, okay. May I ask, who is the real owner of the corporation?
Hindi po namin alam, Your Honor.
Okay. So you are the incorporators, you are the president, but you do not know the real owner of the corporation.
Your Honor, as we said kanina po, pinulge po yung pirma namin nung time na nag-amend sila ng incorporation po nila.
So Mr. Chair, let me ask, how did you become incorporators?
Hindi po namin alam, Your Honor.
Wait, Congressman, may I interject? Kasi a while ago, that other guy was talking, anong pangalan mo, bro?
Chua po.
Brian Chua. Kasi kanina may sinasabi ka, ang sinasabi mo sa amin kanina, may kumausap sa iyo.
Yes, Your
Nagpunta pa kayo ng parking area, di ba? And he offered you 50 million. Sabi mo, hindi mo kaya. Tapos suddenly, sabi mo, nag-negotiate siguro kayo or something, lumabas kayo ng 500,000.
Yes,
And
sir.
you told us that you talked to the two others para i-consider yung offer.
Yes, sir.
So, nung kinonsider yung offer, I'm pretty sure alam nyo kung anong pinag-uusapan nyo. Di ba? 500,000 yung ilalabas nyo. Yun ang usapan nyo, di ba?
Mr. Chair, that's my next question.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let me ask, no? You were incorporators in papers.
Mr. Chair, we're not the incorporator. Ginawa lang po kami.
You were not really the incorporators.
We're not the incorporators.
Therefore, you did not pay any amount to the incorporators.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, you only became incorporators to be able to satisfy the regulation of corporations in which 60% are owned by Filipinos. Do you realize that in any corporation in the Philippines, that the corporation must be owned specifically 60% by Filipinos? Do you realize that? Do you know that?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Okay, do you know that? Therefore, you own 60% of the share.
In papers, Your Honor, I don't know how much I own.
So you do not even know how much share do you have.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
You did not contribute any money as far as buying shares is concerned.
No, Your Honor.
Therefore, the corporation is owned by Chinese nationals who are not even Filipinos.
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
Ibig sabihin no, Mr. Chair, nagpagamit din kayo.
No, Your Honor.
Hindi, nagpagamit din kayo. Come on, hindi mo alam eh. Paano mo hindi mo alam? You are the president, Mr. Chair. Medyo nagagalit na ako dito eh. Nagsisinungaling ka. You are the president. And you do not even know. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Niloloko mo ang committee ito?
No, Your Honor. May I continue the...
O go ahead, just continue.
The story
You
of-
better tell the truth because I am going to cite you in contempt. To make a motion to it.
Yes, Your Honor.
My goodness, hindi mo alam? Ano ba kayo? Mga tanga ba kayo? Are you going to allow yourselves to be used by a Chinese national? And you do not even know the corporation? You are the president of the corporation. You are.
Mr. Chair, actually, Your Honor, meron pong mga dokumento, pinail ang Lucky South sa SEC na forged po yung mga pirma namin at hindi po namin alam kung ano po yung mga
So you are admitting right now that your signatures were not your signatures, they were forged.
Yes, Your Honor, that's why po nag-file kami ng kaso sa
So
Makati.
they were forged.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who forged it?
We don't know, Your Honor. Maybe the Lucky South po.
Maybe the luck is south. Okay. Again, let me repeat, Mr. Chair. Who do you believe is the owner of the Lucky South 99 Corporation?
The previous po, the Chinese, ang nakalagay po doon sa...
What is the name of the Chinese?
Yun po sa... Before po lumabas yung pangalan namin, ang president po yung Zhang Ji.
Sino po, Mr. Chair?
Zhang Ji, Mr. Chair.
Who is Jiang Qi?
Doon po sa...
Sabi mo kanina sa amin, di mo alam eh.
Nabasa lang po namin dito sa nakuha naming dokumento.
Have you met him?
No, Your Honor.
Have they talked to you?
No, Your Honor.
So, yung Jiangxi na yan, alam mong Chinese yan, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, nagpaloko kayo sa Chinese.
I think, Your Honor, naloko po kami doon sa...
Ayun. So, ina-admit niyo, Mr. Chair, na sila ay naloko ng mga Chinese. Now, to question here, magkano binayad sa inyo ng Chinese?
No, Your Honor, wala.
Meron. You do not lie to me here. Hindi pwede na gamitin kayo ng Chinese owners na walang binayad sa inyo. Come on.
Mr. Chair,
We're not stupid here. Nagpagamit kayo ng ganun lamang na hindi kayo binayaran?
false nga po yung pirma namin, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to make a motion to hold these people in contempt.
Okay, there's a motion. But before we move for the second motion, I would like to remind yung ating mga incorporators do sa company na yon. Kasi kanina sinabi nyo na merong kayong pinag-usapan na 500,000. And that was 500,000 that you have considered. And pretty sure, dinideny nyo na rin yung tao na kausap nyo na nawawala na, hindi na matagpuan. I think that is a lame excuse. And you are making us think twice. Actually, kanina, no, nandito kayo, napapaniwala nyo ako sa mga sa mga facial reaction. But when you spoke a while ago, yung isa, nagkaroon kayo ng contact doon sa Lucky South 99 eh. At hindi nyo lang inaamin ngayon, but you were tempted. Most likely you were tempted to enter, no, with them. Kasi hindi sila mag-o-offer ng 50 million eh. Kanina, come to think of it, hindi sila mag-o-offer sa inyo ng 50 million kung there's nothing on it. And as a matter of fact, you consider it. Anyway, so I hope that yung puso ng ating kaibigan, si Chairman,
Mr. Chair,
there is a motion. There is a pending motion. So,
Mr. Chair, before you...
Congressman Barbers.
Mr. Chair, we do not want this committee to be insulted further. We do not want that. Come on, we're not wasting our time here. We are working. We're not wasting our time here. And you are insulting this committee. Oh, hindi ako nagagalit. Dynamic lang ako dito. Pero what I'm saying is true. We do not want this committee to be insulted by you people who come in here to lie before our faces.
So, we will give you opportunity. Tell us the truth. Kasi alam namin meron kayo nalalaman. Just give us something. Because you won't speak like that, no? Kanina, no?
Mr. Ibibigay ko po namin yung copy ng complaint namin sa Makati para po makita po ng this committee yung...
Of course, bibigyan nyo talaga yung magko-complain kayo talaga.
Pero po
Dahil
kami-
dahil sinabi ng PAOK, kasama kayo sa demanda dahil kayong incorporators. And you're trying to have a safe passage in here na hindi kayo involved. Pero in all reality, no? Because of your statement a while ago, we can assume here that talagang kasama kayo, kilala niyo yung Lucky South 99. You were used and you are allowing to be used until now. Until now. At akala nyo, maloloko nyo ang kongresong ito, pati ito, si Baterna, akala nito, maloloko tayo. Pero babalikan namin kayo. Okay? So this is...
Chair, I reiterate my motion.
Meron ako itatanong, Elisa, na kanina yung nagsasalita, anong name mo?
Marian Chua po.
Ryan Chua.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kanina, may binanggit ka dito. Nung during the pandemic, 2019, 2020, you were able to talk to that guy. What is the name of that guy?
Dan De La Cruz.
Dan De La Cruz. O yan, tama. Dan De La Cruz. Ang offer sa ni Dan De La Cruz for you to join yung kanilang Lucky South 99, di ba? Outsourcing, 50 million.
Your Honor, wala pong nabanggit na pangalan ng korporasyon. Ang sabi lang po sa amin is magtatayo pa lang po. And he was telling me it was 15 million, 1.5 po. Yung parang
50 million.
15 po. 1.5.
1.5.
Yung
At tapos sabi nyo, hindi nyo kaya, tapos 500,000, nag-usap-usap kayo, tapos binigay nyo yung lahat ng dokumento sa kanila. Pwede you have to give all your documents. Hindi naman pala kayo sasama. And as a matter of fact, Ano? Edwin, Chua.
Ang po.
This was during pandemic.
No, Your Honor.
Sabi mo kanina, pandemic, nandun kayo sa parking area. Don't lie.
Your
Huwag ka
Honor.
magsisinungaling because you are incorporated now dito sa Lucky South 99 Corporation. You were offered Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated during the pandemic noong 2020. And now, 2023, doon kayo sumama sa Lucky South 99 Corporation.
Your Honor, nakilala ko po yung Dan de la Cruz nung pandemic kasi bumibili po siya sa akin nung Battle Tuyo ko po. Last year lang po niya ako binigyan ng offer nung nagkita lang po kami ulit sa may parking lot.
Sabi mo
sa
kanina,
RLF.
pandemic kayo nakita sa parking
Your
area.
Honor. Nakikita po kami sa parking area para bumili po nung paninda ko na Battle Tuyo po. Doon ko po siya nakilala. And then, in-offer po niya sa akin yung bagong corporation daw po. Last year lang po.
Well, yan ang
last year,
alibay
July
nyo
po.
ngayon.
Ano po yun?
Yan ang alibay nyo ngayon.
No, Your Honor, yun po yung
Kasi,
last year, July 2023 lang po niya ako sinabihan, Your Honor.
So, ako, basically, I don't know with the body. So, Congressman Flores, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. What's your name? I'm sorry. Please state your name.
Marion Ryan Chua po.
Okay, Mr. Chua, do you know Cassandra Leong?
Nakita ko po siya sa video conference call by Mr. Dan de la Cruz po.
And when was that?
Nung November, nung nag-meet po kami ni Mr.
November
Dan
of
de la
what year
Cruz,
po?
2023 po.
2023, November 2023. So you had a video call with Cassandra Leong.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the nature of the call was what?
Doon po inintroduce sa amin ni Mr. Dan de la Cruz na si Miss Cassie Ong po ang boss niya. And doon po sinabi niya na magtatayo nga ng korporasyon. Doon na po siya nagbigay na, yun nga, pinipilit na kami magbigay ng pera na sabi po namin, wala po kaming pera pa.
But you're not personally friends with Cassandra Leong.
No, Your Honor. First time lang po namin nakita siya via video conference call using Mr. Dan de la Cruz mobile phone po.
Was that the only conference call that you had with Cassandra Leong?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was that the only conference call that you had with any other officers of Lucky South 99?
With Miss Cassandra Ong lang po. That's the only time.
That's the only time.
Yes, Your
How
Honor.
about meetings with other persons connected with Lucky South 99?
No, Your Honor.
Yung sa parking lot, ano yan?
Kay Mr. Dan de la Cruz po.
And how is he related with Lucky South 99?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
So he just brings up to you the idea of Lucky South 99 or forming a corporation without you knowing that he was part of Lucky South 99. Is that correct?
Your Honor, ang sabi lang po niya sa akin is new corporation po. Wala pong nabanggit na Lucky South 99 or any name of corporation.
Okay, now let me ask Pao, what information do you have about the knowledge of these persons as far as the Lucky South 99 Corporation is concerned?
As far as the Philippine incorporators are concerned, we are fairly convinced that they knew what they were entering into. Sir, look at it, Congressman. Cassie Lee was able to establish a mansion worth 2.5 billion pesos. And here is someone peddling a story that Cassie Lee was trying to entice them to invest for 15 million. Cassie Lee could easily afford 15 million. Just like that. We don't buy the story. We will charge them po.
Mr. Chair, may I interject in relation to this?
Go ahead po, sir.
Okay. Okay lang yun. May busy. I'd like to ask Ms. Paterna, no? Ikaw ang corporate secretary. You were the ones that filed the incorporation papers, di ba?
Si attorney po yung nagpa-file.
Yes. And hindi ikaw ang nag-file.
Hindi po. Nagpipirma lang po.
Nagpirma ka lang.
Opo.
Okay. Who told you to sign?
Sa law firm po ng attorney.
So therefore, it is the law firm that told you to sign.
Yes po. Tumatawag po sila pag may mga kailangan po.
And you do not know who the owners of the corporation is.
Hindi po.
Now, let me, pwede magtanong ulit. Let me ask, Attorney Roque, you are the lawyer of Whirlwind,
Yes,
right?
Your Honor.
Okay.
For the ejectment case.
For the ejectment case.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, you do not even know this Lucky Corporation here.
Wala po. No contact whatsoever. Kaya nga po, vehement ang denial ko. Kahit anino, wala po ako nakita. Itong mga naririto po, Hindi ko po sila kakilala, no? Kaya nga po, ang kakilala ko lang is yung Whirlwind, no? At yun naman po ang dokumentado na talagang umapira ko sa hukuman. Hindi po talaga madidinayan at nakipagbalitaktakan ako sa ngalan po ng Whirlwind.
Hindi ba sa inyo nagkwento ni Cassandra na mayroong Lucky South 99 Corporation?
Ang sinabi niyo po, yan,
Sinabi niya.
yan yung umuupa sa kanila. At ang palaging, well, I do not know if this is divulging already too much po for attorney-client, no? Ang palaging issue namin is it worth defending the ejectment? Kasi kapag natanggal sila sa posisyon, wala na rin yung premises sa kanila. So parang para kay pa, no? Wala namang ibang uupa dyan. Kung hindi po
Attorney
ako-
Roque, let me say this, no? The Whirlwind Company is a real estate company.
Yes po, opo, Mr. Chair.
Okay, and they were the ones that actually bought the property from Mr. Cruz. Am I right?
Yung building po sila nag-construct and they bought a
Okay.
portion.
And I think that you know that the Whirlwind Company, who also owns the Lucky South 99 Corporation, who also is connected with the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Corporation, you would know that this is actually a Pogo hub that they would be constructing.
Hindi ko po alam na sila may-ari ng Lucky South. Ang alam ko lang po, tinayo nila itong facility ito at pinapaupahan nga po sa Pogo, Lucky South.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Apo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so thank you so much, Congressman Chairman Abante. Now, Congressman Flores is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chua, are you a businessman, sir?
No, Your Honor. Namamasukan lang po sa private.
You're just an employee.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that the same with your two other companions? Can they please state for the record whether they're
Yes
business?
po.
You are?
Edwin po.
You are employed or
Employed lang po.
employed? How about you, sir?
Mr. Chair, employed lang din po.
Okay, now, have you at any point in time met the other officer of the corporation, the Miss Baterna?
No po. Wala
Never?
po kaming kilala sa mga Lucky South. Ano po?
Hindi kayo nakita ever since?
No po.
So this is the first time that you've seen her?
Yes po. Sa
Okay.
second po, sa Senate po kasi na...
Okay.
na-
So when was the first time you heard about your names being incorporators of Lucky South 99?
Mr. Chair, nung pong June 26 po kasi, yun nga po yung kanina sinabi ko,
June 26 of what year?
2024 po, na may nag-message po sa akin na nasa news daw po yung pangalan ko. Tapos, yun nga po, nakita po, nag-search po yung wife ko sa Google, saka doon sa Facebook, na andun nga po yung pangalan ko. Nabanggit din po yung pangalan ni Edwin at ni Marion na part daw po kami ng Lucky South 99.
So all of this time, wala kayong like notices that you received from any communication, from any government office or agency for that matter, relating to Lucky South 99
First time po namin makareceive dun sa Senate po.
sa Senate? Like in your respective residences, wala kayong natanggap na sulat, notification, whatever,
No, Your Honor.
pertaining to Lucky South 99?
Wala po, Your Honor.
So when you found out in June of 2024, sabi nyo, na enrolled kayo sa Lucky South 99, when did you decide to file a case against the incorporators of Lucky South 99?
Nung pong nag-inquire po kami sa SEC para po, ayun po yung advice ng lawyer na mag-inquire kami sa SEC para po makita yung kung sino po yung mga incorporator and officers po ng Lucky South. So nag-request po kami ng dokumento sa SEC. Then right after po noon, nag-file po kami noong July 10, 2024.
Okay, so prior to that, were any of you required to submit copies of your licenses, IDs, or any other forms of identification which usually are attached to the articles of incorporation?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala.
Wala po.
Team numbers.
Doon po sa dokumento po nakuha namin sa SEC, andun po yung TIN number namin doon sa certificate, director certificate na sinubmit nila, which is forged po lahat yung pirma namin.
But the team numbers are correct naman.
Correct po yung TIN number, pero po yung issuance nakalagay po doon Angeles City, which is hindi naman po yun ang issuance ng TIN number namin.
Okay. Ms. Baterna, have you ever seen any of the three other incorporators of Lucky South 99?
Hindi po. Hindi ko po sila kilala.
Never mo yung nakilala?
Never po.
Never were you present in any meeting where all the three of them were also present?
Never po.
Never. Ikaw lang yung nasa office palagi. Ikaw lang yung nauutusan ng mga persons running Lucky South 99.
Yes po.
And you never got a call, text, message, or anything from any of the three persons involved. Itong mga bisita natin ngayon.
Wala.
Ikaw lang. Mr. Chair, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Ma'am Paterna and the three guys, no? Kasi wala, hindi po kami galit sa inyo, pero there's something missing eh. And we're about to find it out. Now, the motion will be withdrawn to cite you in contempt. I think we have to withdraw that.
Point of order, Mr. Chair, should be me that should withdraw the motion, not the chairman of the committee. It should be me. And Mr. Chair, I reiterate my motion because look, these people are actually insulting. I'd like to ask the director of PAOK, do you believe that these people know know many things? Naniniwala ba kayo na may alam itong mga to?
What we could say, Your Honors, is that we would include them in the criminal charges that we would file because we are not buying the story that they are innocent victims of an identity theft.
Therefore, you know that they know something, right?
I agree, Your Honor.
Therefore, with this basis, I reiterate my motion for contempt.
I am just a chairman and we have members and I respect the decision of the members on this. I'm telling you, guys, we have to find out your the veracity of your statement regarding your employment. We have to see kung can you kindly submit all your documents pertaining to your being an employee. Katulad nung si Chua, nagtatrabaho daw siya sa appliance center sa Anson. Is this true?
Yes po, Your Honor, pero kaka-resign ko lang po.
Wala kang properties, wala kang sariling bahay, wala kang sasakyan,
Actually,
How old are you? 40,
47, going 48.
47.
Yes po.
So you were not employed by the Lucky South or any corporations under this
Never po.
this Pogo
Never
Hub?
po, Your Honor.
And you also? Yes, you.
Never po, Your Honor.
How old are you?
38 po, Your Honor.
38. You have your own house, your own car?
No, Your Honor.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because we are trying to look on the on the veracity of your statement here.
Yes, Your Honor. I
And
only
also-
have a motorcycle po.
Mr. Chair, hindi po ako connected sa Lucky South. Meron po akong bahay na tindiran, naka-loan po sa bangko po.
Wala nang anumang property na nakapangalan sa inyong tatlo?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Your Honor, ako property lang po, lupa lang po, wala pong tayong bahay.
How big is the lot?
180 square meter na sa Kanlubang po.
Okay, thank you so much. Ikaw Baterna, may mga property ka ba nakapangalan sa'yo?
Wala po.
Nakatago lahat.
Wala.
Nakatago. Ba't sumagot ka lang
Wala po talaga, Your Honor, promise.
Yung Ferrari wala sa'yo.
Wala po.
Okay, 1 minute suspension.